Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Notion for productivity, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Notion for productivity, begin by creating an account on the Notion. Visit www.notion.so and click on the sign up button. You can sign up using your email address or link your Google account for quicker access. Once your account is created, log in to your Notion workspace. Take a tour of the interface to familiarize yourself with its features. Start by creating a new page by clicking the New Page button on the sidebar. Give your page a clear title that reflects its purpose. Choose a template if you want a structured layout or start from scratch. Utilize the drag and drop feature to organize your content effectively. Add different types of content blocks including text, headings, lists, images, and more. Use the / command by typing / to access a variety of block options quickly. Incorporate databases for tracking tasks, projects, or notes to enhance productivity. Add tags and categories to your tasks for better organization and prioritization. Set up reminders and deadlines using the date feature to stay on track. Explore the integration options with other apps like Google Drive or Trello to centralize your workflow. Share your pages with teammates or collaborators to promote teamwork and transparency. Utilize the commenting feature to leave notes or feedback directly on the page. Regularly review and update your workspace to keep it aligned with your goals. Experiment with different layouts and structures to find what works best for you. Customize your Notion experience by altering settings and preferences. With consistent use, you will find Notion a valuable tool for enhancing your productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.